Making our outfits look more better and stylish is not that hard. You just need to follow some simple rules. In today's video, ladies, I'll show you 4 ways on how you can do that, how you can transform your outfits from looking basic to looking so sophisticated and polished. Number 1, the first thing, you need to understand the power of styling. How you put together an outfit from head to toe makes all the difference. For example, just look at this picture here. These ladies, they have the same staple piece, but one looks more polished than the other one. Why? Same thing to this other picture. The same staple piece, but one looks more polished than the other one. Why? It is because of the power of styling. And this shows you that having good clothes and all the staple pieces in your wardrobe is not the issue. The issue is, how are you going to put together that outfit? And ladies, unless you were naturally born a stylish person, and most of us did not, then the only way for you to know how to layer outfits, combine it so well for it to look more stylish, is for you to get inspiration. Personally, what I do, I just go to Pinterest. Pinterest is one of the places that can dramatically change your fashion game. Then I search specifically what I want. For instance, I can search brown leather jackets outfit ideas. Then there are going to be millions of results there. So you scroll down until you find one that really caught your eyes. And once you get it, I usually observe it very keenly because I know that the details matter so much. So you observe keenly, which shoes is she wearing, which bags, which accessories has she paired this outfit with. You get the full picture of how that outfit will look like. That will really improve your fashion game. The next thing, start paying attention to the small styling details. Because ladies, those tiny small details are the ones that can either make your outfit look frumpy or make your outfit look put together. Maybe once you have tried to copy a look, an online influencer that had dressed so well, and you tried the complete look. But once you wear it, you just don't look exactly like them. You feel like your outfit, something is off. That is because you have ignored the small, tiny details. Let me show you an example. Just look at this picture. Can you notice the difference? What is the difference? What is missing in this outfit? The belt. The belt is making that big difference. The tiny details. How you tuck in your shirt. You know, if you tuck in your shirt the normal way, you just tuck it in anyhowly, and another person tucks in a more stylish and neat way, then that can be the reason why your outfit looks frumpy and it doesn't look exactly polished like that influencer. So ladies, these are the small details that you should not ignore. Try as much as possible to be keen on how you have tucked in your shirt, how you have rolled your sleeve, how you have tied your pants. Those are the tiny little details that can really transform your look. Next thing, to make your outfits look better, always consider the fabric, the cut, and the finishing of a piece. For example, in fashion, we have different and so many types of fabric, but the fabrics that naturally look more expensive and put together than the other one. And those are the fabrics that you need to aim for. For example, just look at this picture. They're all button-down shirts. But this one looks more luxurious and this one does not. And there's nothing that it has been done. So those are the fabrics that you need to aim for. Also, something to note is the cut, the structure. Clothes that just falls on top of the skin, not the ones that clings on the skin. You can see that B, it clings. There's some parts that it clings onto the skin. But A, everything just falls on top of the skin. So fabrics that look sharp, they look straight, they look more put together. So anytime that you're trying to copy a look online and you want to pull exactly the same look, always check the fabric, the cut, and the finishing of that outfit. So anytime you consider fabrics that naturally look more expensive and are well structured, your outfits will completely transform. For example, a relaxed blazer and an edgy blazer will give you a completely different look. So if you forget and you wear a relaxed blazer and that influencer was wearing an edgy blazer, you will not pull the same look. So ladies, just to conclude, making your outfits look better is not that hard. First thing, just know how to pair it well from head to toe. Make it stylish. And what you can do about that, just go to Pinterest and get inspiration. The second thing, don't underestimate those small details. Pay attention to the small styling details and do them to perfection. After that, ladies, focus on the fabric, the cut, and the finishing of a piece, because those are the details that can make or break your outfit. And lastly, dress for your body type. Accept your body and dress for it. Highlight your best asset, and you will completely look good in all the outfits.